Hey guys, so today I'm testing out the GOOLOO A2. It's an 8-in-1 device, which means it's not only a jump starter, it's also a tire inflator, a pressure gauge, a flashlight, a warning light, an air pump, a ball pump, and even a power bank. So let's open up the box and see how it works. Some steps on how to use it. Comes in this nice carrying case. Comes with a USB-C cable to charge it. Tire inflator cord. Inflator tips, and then these are the jump start cables that you plug in. And then here's the device itself. And so yeah, let's go test it out and see how it works. First off, it's compact, lightweight, and actually portable. You can toss it in the trunk or under the seat without it taking up space, making it more convenient to take around. The jump starter pushes 2,500 amps of peak current, which is enough to start up an 8-liter gas engine. And it also works even in extreme temperatures, anywhere from minus 20 degrees Celsius all the way up to 60. So whether it's a winter morning or a hot summer day, you're ready to go. It also features an upgraded 150 psi cordless inflator with a turbocharged 35 liters per minute airflow. That means it fills tires fast and it doesn't struggle with things like sports balls or air mattresses. You can set your target pressure and it shuts off automatically when it hits the number so it doesn't overinflate. And the LED display shows your current tire pressure and the device's battery level in real time, so you always know what's going on. And because it's cordless, using it is super simple. The emergency features are useful as well. You get a bright LED light with multiple modes, for a steady beam for visibility, an SOS mode, and a red strobe, which is great if you're stuck at night or out camping. This thing becomes your lifeline. And since it doubles as a power bank, you can charge your phone or other devices while you wait for help or while you're out camping. Another thing I really appreciate is the safety systems. The reinforced cables reach different battery terminals easily, and the unit has 10 built-in intelligent protection features, so it can detect whether you've connected it correctly, and if something's wrong, it warns you immediately. It's designed so even someone who's never jump-started a vehicle before can use it safely. You're not relying on someone else to show up with jumper cables, and you're not stuck searching for a gas station air pump. Everything you need is in one compact device. So if you want a tool that covers all the bases, then definitely check out the GOOLOO A2 today. And you guys can find out more about it in the link in the description below. See you guys on the next one.